Hello, here we find the maximum 2 from the array, right? Finding max 2 from array. Right, main method. Now I am taking the input array nums. So we have lots of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, right? Now we have to find the second maximum number in the array. So second maximum is 8, right? But condition is that we cannot use any inbuilt method, right? Because if the duplicates are there, then our inbuilt method is failed. Like if we are trying to sort an array in ascending or descending, right? So if the array is sorted in ascending order, suppose we apply array dot sort method and the array is sorted in ascending order like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we easily get the second maximum from this array. Uh, because array is in the indexing form, so this is in ascending order, so we know the last one is the maximum and the last one minus 1 is the second maximum. It works, but in the case of duplicates it will fail. Like if there is one duplicate of 9, then the second maximum is 9. This is not true. Here the second maximum is 9. This is true, so this will fail in the condition where the duplicates are there. So if we apply the inbuilt method of sort, then we have to remove the duplicate format, then it will work. So now we are taking two variables like int max 1 for the max for the maximum, like integer dot max min. So yeah, so here we are taking the minimum value. So we are supposing that the minimum value is the maximum value, right? We are letting as we do in the mathematics. So we take also second maximum is also there, second maximum, like integer dot min, assign the value, right? Now I am iterating it through the for loop. I less than nums dot length is a variable in this, I plus plus, right? Now I am taking the if condition. If nums of I is greater than m1 max 1, right? Then max 1 equal to nums I. This one is greater now, assigning the value, right? So here we find the maximum value. If the duplicates are there or not, it will not impact. Now again I am iterating for the second maximum. Like now I'm taking if condition. If nums of I is greater than max 2 and nums of I is less than max 1 is smaller and max 2 is greater, right? Now we assigning it again, max 2 equals to nums of I. Here we find the maximum, right? Now I am printing it. So max is like max 1 and max 2 is max 2, max 1 is max 2 is max 2, right? To give more space so it look good. Now I'm running it. See, the maximum max 1 is 9 and max 2 is 8. Now I am taking the duplicates, like 9 is a maximum, it will duplicate, right? So many times it will come and again it will not affect. See result. Now I am taking 8 is also in this list. It will impact or not? Not impacting. It will work fine. So thank you for watching my videos.